Morning, Raina. What we need to do here is you're just kind of using the probability to predict how many times it's going to happen. So if I'm looking, um, and if it was 12 times that I spun it, and there's 1/4 of a chance that I would get to A, then the question is, how many times would it land on A if if that probability held true. And so we know the probability is 1 to 4. We are setting up a proportion here, and we know that we're spinning it this first time 12 complete times. And so I can use cross products here. 1 times 12 is equal to 4 times the missing part. And so then 12 is going to be equal to 4x, and that's going to be equal to 3. I could consider scaling up or scaling down to get from here to here, it's times 3. So to get to here, it's times 3 as well. And so that is what I'm doing in the exit ticket here. I'm trying to use my theoretical probabilities to predict how many times it is going to happen, depending on how many times I spin the spinner. All right. And so I'm predicting what will happen in the experiment based on the theoretical probabilities. And so I'm kind of doing this type of thing here for all 12 of these problems right here. Okay. And then I believe it's the same thing for this bottom section then too. If you are completely lost by these questions, you want to go back into your book and you want to see if you can figure out where this was, because this was definitely in the book. Since I've done every single page in video form, I know that it is something that we have covered this week. All right. Bye. Please. Toodles.